Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to an evening routine video. It's been a while since I've shared a video like this, and actually now that the kids are back to school, we're very much back into our typical evening routine. So today I thought I would show you everything that we do after school, all of the cleaning tasks that I try to get done, how I finish up on work, bath time, what we're going to have for dinner, playing with the kids, my skincare routine, all of it. So I hope you really enjoy this video, and I wanted to say a huge thank you to Skin and Me for sponsoring today's video. I'll show you more about them in a little bit, and of course I'll have a discount code for you guys as well. But with all that said, let's get into the evening routine. Okay, so on this particular day, my three children all had after school clubs, so we didn't actually get home until after 4 p.m. As soon as we did, they wanted to grab a snack from the snack drawer, and then I started emptying out the water bottles, the lunch bags, the snack boxes. I like to do this straight away because they can get pretty gross if you don't. While I was doing this, the boys were just playing with their toys. Jackson especially, he just had a birthday and he's been loving playing with all of his new toys. But straight from school, I let them just pretty much hang out. They're so tired normally, so they did some gaming, they played Minecraft together and just chilled. And then at about 5 p.m. I normally start on dinner. My kids get super hungry and I just find that it's easier to just give them dinner than let them have loads of snacks. So today we've actually got leftovers, which is great, so I'm literally just going to heat it up. This is like a Mexican rice dish. It almost tastes like fajitas on rice, if that makes sense, but I love it when we have like leftovers because it makes it so much quicker and easier. We've also been having like a bit of a heat wave at the moment, so we're going to eat outside. It's a beautiful evening, but I'm just going to wipe down the table, and then the kids are going to help me get everything to the table, like drinks, cutlery, the food, and then we can just sit out here and enjoy our lovely meal. Of course, the dog was very interested. Normally we eat inside, so she just kept getting up on this bench because she likes to sit on this couch during the day, so I kept taking her down. She just kept getting back up. But anyway, they enjoyed their dinner, and then for dessert we're having this very terrifying cake. This is the leftover from Jackson's Yoda birthday cake, so a couple had that, but then Caleb's not really like a cake lover, so he had a smoothie lolly instead. Once we're all done, the boys are going to help me clear the table and put their stuff into the dishwasher, and then I'm just going to do a really quick tidy up, pretty much just wiping down the surfaces, putting things in the dishwasher, and then vacuuming if I need to. Today it wasn't too messy at all, so I'm literally just gonna run around and wipe down the surfaces. And then I've got this really great little vacuum, which is perfect for crumbs. It works on the hard floor and on the rugs as well, so I just find it really handy. So I'm just gonna quickly run around with that. Then I remembered I had a YouTube video going live and I hadn't done the thumbnail yet, so I literally quickly made one at 10 to 7 when it went live. That's how down to the wire I work sometimes, guys. And then the boys started on their homework. They are getting more and more homework because they are getting older. Caleb's year 5, Fraser's year 8, so we do have to keep on top of it. And after dinner, I feel like they've had their chill out before, you know, there's time to do a little bit of homework, and it doesn't even take that long sometimes. So once they were finished that, we actually went outside. It was so beautiful out. We just went on the trampoline, had a little run around, got out that last bit of energy before we went upstairs to the bath. So now that the boys are getting older, we go upstairs at about 7 p.m. I really miss the days when they were all in bed by 7, but they're just not that tired anymore. So anyway, we did the bath at 7, and they like to hang on their little gymnastics bar in the hallway while I get it all ready. And then while they're in the bath, or once I've done Jackson and the others maybe shower, I start on my skincare routine. I like to get my makeup off as soon as I can, give my skin as much breathing time as possible, and I wanted to show you my routine. I'm so incredibly happy with how my skin is looking at the moment, and it is thanks to Skin and Me. You guys have probably heard me talk about them so many times in the past. I've been using them for well over a year now, and I just feel like my skin is shiny. I'm loving my complexion, so I'll show you what it's like. But anyway, first I'm gonna wash my face and get all of my makeup off. After I cleanse, I will then use my daily doser from Skin and Me, and if you haven't heard of them before, they make powerful personalized skincare containing active ingredients in them, and the product is designed by dermatologists, so you're basically getting expert care without the wait times and without the price tag as well. And it's really simple. You basically go onto their website, you fill out an online consultation about your skin, also about your skin goals. You answer a few questions. If you have any skin conditions, like for instance, maybe rosacea, you can write all of that information in there. And then you also attach 3 makeup-free photos and send that off. The experts then look at your notes and they'll design a treatment plan for you. And then in the post, you will get your daily doser, which is this little product. It comes completely personalized for your skin, and it even has your name on it as well, which I really love. And it's really clever because you always get the exact amount of product that you need as well. You just twist the product up and it will click, and then you know that's exactly how much you should use, which is really great, especially with active ingredients. You don't want to use too much of a product. So I love using it. It's just one step that I add into my skincare routine, and it has transformed my nightly skincare routine. Love it so much. It's just one simple step, and I feel like my skin is shinier, it's brighter and smoother, my pores are smaller, my makeup goes on better, and even the horrible spots I used to get on my chin are basically non-existent now. So I'm really pleased with it, and I have a discount code, as I said, so I'll put a link in my description and I'll put my code on screen here. If you go through and you use that code, you'll get your first month of the daily doser for just $4.99, and you can just test it out for a good month, see what you think of it, and if you don't like it, no problem, but if you do like it, obviously you can carry on. Love it, and I'll put all the details in the description. And if you're wondering where Matt is, my husband, he actually took the dog for a second walk while I was bathing the kids and doing my skincare routine. We started walking her twice a day during the summer because when it was hot, we would take her out super early and then again a bit later on. And she just really loves having that second walk. So we'll see how long we can keep it up for. But when it's weather like this and you can just walk around the farm and like take in the sunset, we kind of fight over who's going to do that second walk because it's so special. Then when we came downstairs, the boys are all in their pajamas. I mean, they're always hungry, so Fraser wanted to make himself some cheese toast, so he just went ahead and did that now that he's older. And then I'm just going to turn the dishwasher on and say to the kids, this kitchen is shut, so no more food, no more drink, you guys gotta stop. So then they watched Ron's Gone Wrong on the TV. It's like a movie they really like, and I'm just gonna lay out their clothes for tomorrow. I always like to do this, so in the morning it's really quick to just grab those piles and they can just get themselves ready. I'm also gonna set up the laundry for tomorrow morning as well. I'm not actually going to turn it on because it's such good weather. I'm going to turn it on when I wake up at 6 and then we can hang it outside. And then yeah, it was time to read books with Jackson. He normally goes to bed at about 8 p.m. So we're going to read a book that he chose, and then we're just going to say goodnight. He's actually really quick to go to sleep, which is really nice. And tonight I wanted to show you, we're actually updating his bedroom. So we've just sold this bunk bed online, and we're actually going to get him a double bed because he's not sleeping very well in the bunk bed. That's why he's always with us as well. And now in the evenings, once we come downstairs and all the kids are in bed, we actually hang out in this room. Kiki's like, come on, let's sit on the couch, let's cuddle. So we're actually just going to sit in this front room. I actually haven't done a tour of this room, but let me know if you'd like to see one. But it's just really cozy, and I know it's going to be that way for winter as well. So I'm going to watch a show that I've been loving. It's called Your Mum, My Dad. It's really brilliant, and I'm also going to start editing this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, my Skin and Me code is in the description if you guys want to check it out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.